have a grateful heart, it means we have to learn to count our blessings. I'm telling you, pag uwi nyo ng bahay mamaya, isulat ninyo isa-isa. Ang dami ninyong makikitang ipagpapasalamat ninyo sa buhay ninyo. Okay? Count your blessings. What are the things that you are grateful for? Okay? What are the things you're grateful for? And then in verse 7, tinan niyo po ang sabi dito kung may joyful heart ka, kung meron kang gentle heart, if you always choose to forgive, di ba? Tapos, meron kang grateful heart, tingnan niyo sinabi dito, and the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, tingnan niyo sinabi, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Sabi dito, if you do this, as a result, the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus.